Mega Malaria Awareness Program organized in Mungiakami RD block. This Mega Malaria Awareness Program was held under the Athramura Village Committee of the block. Mungiakami block BDO Diptanu Debarma, additional BDO Stephen Ria, Mungiakami block BSC Chairman Sudil Debarma were present. There was a time when people in Mungiakami areas were dying from malaria. No one, from children to the elderly, was left out. So the government took steps in advance to make people aware of malaria outbreaks in these areas, so that malaria cannot harm the poor people of these areas like before. On this day's event, medicinal mosquito nets were also distributed among the poor families of the area by the block administration.
Ada blog ni bising ke atama bisio kaisa Chini jetu osijono lekhino milera ungo abni bage tini atramura isi place Tripura bosio kaisa malaria ni kaisa program abno jeng omni sate jeng case khaika jaga bikhirok bakha omni sate Chini gunda tai mortin tai yago fuljangai oma herok bang jeng bagi tongo aro Chini video saya manjak pakai sini additional video abang orang ni in charge ni tikeno ini orang ni village ni additional village ni je orang ni je jatuh samosto harassment kaya orang ini program kaya hingga pray 50 jona poribar motono jaga tonggo abang ini seng naimani seng kuno miliar project seng maya ini abang kaham mudah-mudah apa no osijono seng tebo Zilgom melakar jalan unasra kakasra atamura tikormo am hairogo nombozerogo am haikene sung program sijono sung proti jagano am hai program paito aponi bagai sung nayo jate Mungiakami bisingo malaria jate ngiatei sung obo chesta khai saito gito taka amo sung amo second sung nobozoi yang para Nunasra edisi place sekarang tanglayo sing kaipeka terus kamu sini ke program tong kaigan
Bureau Report Chini Khorang